In C++, we can declare a method in a subclass that has the same signature as the base class. So if we were to do that and create an instance of the subclass and call that method from a subclass pointer and a base class pointer, what happens? The reason that calling the method using the base pointer gets the base class version of the method to run is that there is no indication in the object that the subclass method should run. As a result, the compiler has to go off of the type of object that the pointer is telling it to use. This can be corrected by adding the virtual keyword to the signature of the base class. Personally, I like to add virtual to the signature of the subclass as well. The virtual keyword basically puts some marker in the object indicating the right method to call. Now, regardless of which pointer you're calling from, the subclass version of the method is called. Now, if you were to change the method signature of the base class, the subclass's method will no longer override the base class method, but merely overload it. When we call that method from the base class pointer, we'll need to adjust the call. If you wish to ensure that the method in the subclass overrides the base method, there are two approaches you can take. One is to add the override keyword at the end of the subclass method declaration. This causes the compiler to raise an error that it cannot find the same method signature in the base class, which will prod you, the developer, to update the subclass method if you update the base method. Another is to add the =0 at the end of the base class method declaration. What this does is make the method a pure virtual method, meaning the class in which the method is declared does not implement the method, and thus you cannot create an instance of that class alone. If you're coming from Java, this makes your class an abstract class. You'll need to create a subclass that implements those pure virtual methods and instantiate that subclass. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below.